The main mission of the Goodwill Excel Center is to give students that dropped out of high school a second chance to obtain their high school diploma and also get those job-ready skills and post-secondary skills so that they can go out in the career field and obtain employment.
We are the first adult charter school here in Memphis.
Most places give you GED. This is like the only place in Memphis that you can actually get your diploma.
I've always been wanting to go back to school, but has been trying to figure out a way. Things are costly, and with having children, it was kind of hard. But when I ran up on the Excel Center, I said, okay, let me put my application in and see how this goes. We all push each other.
It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's the best. Give this program a try.
We just need students that are 18 years of age and Shelby County residents and that are serious about pursuing their education.
I'm a part of the 2018 graduating class of the Excel Center. I have a baby due in September, and that's the whole reason why I came back to school, to definitely push me to become a better person and become a better student.
As we all know, change is never easy and life never goes as we planned. But I returned back to Excel School, and now I have my high school diploma.
Graduate on Saturday, June 17th.
I graduated in December 2016.
I get my diploma in May.